The main problem before Gatekeeper was mostly the lack of visibility to our vendors spending by contracts and expiration of the contracts as they are coming up for renews or terminations. Once we created the workflows within Gatekeeper and integrated Gatekeeper to NetSuite, we are able to see all the spending for our vendors and align the spending to specific contracts and receive alerts for contracts expirations that are coming up, so we can start a negotiation or the decision to move away or the decision to go to the market ahead of time. Usually we set up our alerts at 90 days, so give us 3 months before the expiration to make the decisions. The results of the implementation of Gatekeeper were mostly noticed on the improved visibility, as we definitely have a much better control of all the vendors that we currently manage. Our compliance has greatly improved too, as we were able to ask additional questions and keep a better track and documentation of all the vendors that are on board. But I think the ROI, it's basically on the visibility of the contracts and the actual spending, as we not only have visibility to the new contracts coming up and we can do a better job negotiating those ahead or going to market and finding better deals out in the market, but also as several different groups within the company that are purchasing from the same vendor without the knowledge of the purchase from that vendor. So we can, even though it's one vendor with several different services or contracts within the company, now we negotiate as one bulk purchase, even though there might be services in different groups. So our ability, our economies of scale and ability to better negotiate contracts has was what drove the results. The main reason why we chose Gatekeeper was because of the ability to customize workflows, onboarding, alerts. Everything's very customizable, and because of the nature of our business being a little different of just purchasing materials as a logistics provider, Gatekeeper allows us to customize to really what we needed. Another reason why we chose Gatekeeper was the ability to integrate with our current financial software, as we did not want to have another separate system to manage vendors, but something that could be integrated with NetSuite that would allow us to ultimately see the spending once the vendors were paid.